Here we have some more information about hydrocarbons. Compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen as the only two elements are called hydrocarbons. So we have studied this. Hydrocarbons are the simplest and the fundamental organic compounds. So hydrocarbons are called as the fundamental organic compounds because from these hydrocarbons we can make various other compounds by substituting one or more hydrogen atoms. So if you can recollect, we had studied one property for carbon, that is tetravalency, and under it we had taken one example, and from methane we kept on substituting one atom of hydrogen at a time, and we got 5 different types of compounds out of it. So therefore we call hydrocarbons to be the fundamental organic compounds, and from them we can synthesize various other compounds. When the valencies of all the carbon atoms are satisfied by single bonds, then such compounds are called saturated compounds. So we know that carbon has got valency 4, and when all these 4 valencies are satisfied by a single bond, it is called as a saturated hydrocarbon. Even between carbon atoms, we will have a single bond. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called as alkanes, and here we find that there is going to be carbon-carbon single bond. The carbon compounds having a double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms are called unsaturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated compounds. So if the carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond is present, then such compounds are referred to as unsaturated compounds. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes. And we are going to find here carbon-carbon double bond. That is, between at least two carbon atoms, we will find a double bond. The unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structures contain a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. And here we are going to have carbon-carbon triple bond. Between two carbon atoms, we shall find that there is a triple bond that is present. Generally, the unsaturated compounds are more reactive than the saturated compounds. So these are some more terms and definitions which we had seen in the previous slide when we classified hydrocarbons. But here you get the definitions, and all these definitions you must write down. That is saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, and under unsaturated we have two types, that is alkenes and alkynes.